everyone, Librarian Jennifer back with another episode of STEAM at Home. Today I'm going to show you how to color on your own shirts, shirt or any kind of fabric you want to decorate using regular old crayons. You just need some crayons and sandpaper. So if you want to see how to do that, stick around. So make sure you get yourself a nice little piece of sandpaper that's nice and gritty. And I like using the actual name brand crayons. It's not necessary, but I think they come out a little better. And the trick is you have to color really, really, really hard. It has to get like a really, really dark, really, really filled in shapes. Otherwise, it's not going to transfer right. So I'm going to draw my design and we'll see what I come up with. Okay, so there is my drawing that I made. We're going to test out letters and a drawing. I did have to color really hard. You can see I broke some crayons in the process. I wore some way down, and these were all like brand new when I started. So let's see how this turns out. We are going to be using an iron again, so good thing to have it grown up. Something I just realized, because I am not thinking, this is going to be flipped over. So my letters are going to actually be backwards on my shirt. That's okay. I don't mind so much, but when you're writing your letters, you're going to have to write them backwards to make them go the correct way on your shirt. So that was my bad, guys. I'm going to put a piece of construction paper over my transfer that I'm doing, just because I don't want to accidentally get crayon on my iron. I'm gonna leave my design on for just a minute, let it cool down so that crayon can really get a good hold on the fabric. Okay, yeah, that actually came out pretty good. Other than the fact that I forgot that my words were going to be backwards. You can see my little narwhal with his little smiley face and his pink polka dots. And my backwards letters actually did come out pretty well. You can see it didn't all transfer, so I could even color it in again and try to do another one. So yeah, that one worked out pretty well. I'm going to go actually throw this in the washing machine and see if it stays in fairly well. I'll let you guys know. Okay, so here it is after I washed it in the washing machine with detergent on cold. I'm gonna put it through the dryer. I do think it faded quite a bit. I'm gonna stick it in the dryer and see what happens. Okay, and this is it after I've taken it out of the dryer. You can see it's faded quite a bit. Can't really make out the design very much anymore. So if you do this at home, I would recommend washing your stuff by hand and don't put it in the dryer. So that is all for today. I will see you guys next time. This is Librarian Jennifer signing off. If you are on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are watching on Facebook, leave me a comment. Let me know what you're creating at home. If you have any requests for videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.